Workstorm integrates with your Microsoft 365 account to bring Outlook into the app. You can open and compose new mail and access all standard email functions, such as replies, forwarding, and archiving, all within the Workstorm app. To compose a new email, on the left side of the Workstorm menu, select the email icon. Then, click the Sign In button and enter your credentials. Click Inbox to load your mirrored Outlook inbox. Select the New Email option. The email draft will open in a new, minimized window. Enter a recipient, subject, and the message contents. At the top right of the window, click Send.